Your dashboard is an information management tool that visually tracks and analyzes data. ArkCase's out-of-the-box dashboard widgets include tools to track reports, queues, tasks, and much more. Let's go ahead and click the Enable Edit Mode icon on the top right-hand side. Once Edit Mode is enabled, you'll notice that we now have several new icons available there as well. We have Add New Widget, Edit Dashboard Layout, Save Changes, and Undo Changes. We're going to start by showing you how to add a widget. You'll notice that the pop-up window displays a list of available widgets to add to our dashboard. Let's go ahead and choose a few widgets to add. To add multiple widgets, you'll simply repeat the same process until you've added all of the widgets you'd like to add. After we've added all of the widgets we'd like to add, there may be a widget that you'd like to delete. Simply click the X in the top right-hand corner of the individual widget to do so. Once you've completed adding and deleting widgets, go ahead and click the Save Changes button. Once changes are saved, enable Edit Mode again and click the gear icon to edit the dashboard layout. In the pop-up window, you'll see 5 different layout options. Choose whichever option you like best. Before we move on, let's undo changes. Click the Undo Changes icon on the top right-hand corner. Your dashboard will return to its previous layout. At this point, feel free to go back and change the layout of your dashboard again. Before you save your changes, click the gear icon on the top right-hand corner of an individual widget. In the pop-up window, you'll be able to configure the widget. This could mean adding a title description or even changing the number of lines displayed. After configuring your widget, you'll click Apply and see the widget update accordingly. Go ahead and click Save Changes. And that's how you manage your dashboard. Thanks for watching!